Here we are.
Whoa, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Esposito, 6th grade science, Ralph Chandler Middle School, and
Mr. Goff, 6th grade math,
Ralph Chandler Middle School. Moms and dads, what did we do today? Well, we went over, wouldn't go over station models a little bit. We just rushed over it, okay? We're going to get into it a lot more tomorrow. It's going to be really complex. It's going to be like learning a foreign language, like I said in the past. We went over isobars, we went over isotherms, we went over a little bit about satellites and how they used radar to predict weather. And we got into isotherms. Isotherms, go on my website, click under weather maps, and I have two of them. I have an isotherm and an isobars, so they can do a little compare and contrast. We did that in class today, but if you want some extra reinforcement, moms and dads, I put that also on my website. We can use as much as possible. This is a hard concept for both adults and students. Tomorrow, when we start getting heavily into isobars, it's going to be bang. We're going to be really nailing it, giving a lot of information tomorrow, so you really want to get on the ball, okay?
That's right. I've seen it. I've seen the website. He's on top of things, people.
On top of things, but the worst part, not the worst, but the difficult part is this material in the standards. I read the standards to the students. A lot of this is new to them, so it's new, so it's difficult. It's not review. Plants and animals, a lot of it was review. They learned a lot about, plants and animals in elementary school. Here we're starting to transition into some new content, new standards, and so they really, and the parents, you're going to be like, whoa, what's the Coriolis effect? Oh, what's an eastern, what are the trade winds? What are the westerlies? What are, these are big words.
They're important to know, though.
Doldrums, jet streams, how do they form? Big stuff, isobars, what are all these little symbols? Nobody knows that unless they do it, right? So it's going to be difficult.
Mr. Esposito's telling them how to do it.
Excellent.
Yep.
Take it away. Goff, tell them what you do in your class today.
Okay, in math, you know what? This week, we're starting up our new chapter in Math 6 because last week we finished up our tests.
Excellent.
Yeah, I've got them all graded. Everyone's looking pretty good. Check those online grade portals, and you'll see what your students did on the last test. Yep.
That's right. Now, those online grade portals are something. Huh?
However that's said. The parent portal, you can check your grades on there. Okay, parents and kids. Now, since we're starting a new chapter today, we started with perimeter, okay? Perimeter of squares and rectangles.
Perimeter of Mr. Goff's head. Around.
Oh my God. So you were fixing my hair.
The perimeter of his glasses, right? The outside. Okay. Perimeter around.
It's a distance around something.
Yes.
And so we talked about perimeter today in Math 6, and we have a little homework. Math 6 homework. Page
homework time!
Yep. Page 525, 14 through 18. Not many problems. Just to remind you that you need to know how to do perimeter.
That takes a lot of words, but really that's all it is 14 to 18. That's 4.
Well, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's
5.
Yeah, it's a tricky little
thing. You got me there.
I know I did. So, because you have to include 14.
Now, what song is that?
I don't know, but let me get through with Math 7.
You really got me now. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing. Bow, bow, bow. That song?
You guys don't understand what it's like working with Esposito here.
No.
It's fun. It's exciting. A little tough.
All right, go ahead, tell them.
So, Math 7. Probability. We're still on probability, okay? So today we were talking about compound events. We've already talked about simple events. Talking about all kinds of different events, basically, okay? And it's all probability, okay? So we have a little homework on that tonight in Math 7. Page 495, 12 through 17. In Math 7, we have a test coming up this week.
Another one.
Well, that was test Math 6 last week. Test Math 7.
Is this another one of those 2-day tests?
It'll be a 2-day test, Thursday and Friday.
Oh, a lot of studying coming up.
They usually get it done on Thursday, but I give them an extra day because they might want to go home and study a little bit more. They might say, you know what, I didn't know this. I got to go home and study.
Extra, a little bit more reinforcement. He's a nice guy. Mr. Goff is doing this to kind of help the guys out.
Nice. You know what?
Dynamite.
And Mr. Esposito, you should see all the stuff he has. Go check out Mr. Esposito's website because it does have everything you need.
Hey, Mr. Goff. Hey, he's a nice guy. I don't care what anybody says. He's a good guy.
I'm mean to everybody. I'm mean to everybody, but I'm nice to him.
That's right.
Anyway.
Are we done?
We're done. So.
We're done time. What?
It's done time.
All right, 2 thumbs up. A lot of excitement here. Ralph Chandler Middle School. Mr. Goff, Mr. Esposito, 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.